I've had the idea to build a water wheel that produces electricity ever since I learned that DC motors can also act as generators. A few months ago, I drew up a rough design, starting with the wheel. I used 3D printed paddles and some pieces from a robot kit that I had access to construct the frame of the wheel. Then I experimented with different motors. At first, I thought I would use a large motor, but it ended up being too big, since the water power I had access to wasn't nearly strong enough to turn it with any significant speed. So I ended up using a fairly small DC motor and used a gear ratio of 4:1. So the DC motor was turning 4 times faster than the water wheel. Next, I built a frame out of metal, but I had to use hot glue to attach the pieces because I don't have access to welding equipment. It was a bit of a challenge to get enough electricity to actually power the light, but I eventually got it working. This is the finished product.